Gunadhan, and this video regarding the staff nurse notification from Delhi Institute of Liver and Biliary Science Hospital. This is that autonomous institution under that Delhi. They announced various post vacancies under the nursing field. We'll see in detail for what are the posts and how many members and what is the pay scale and what is the age limit for the each post. We'll see in detail. For seeing the official notification, directly you can go to the official website, that is under that announcement column. You can see the advertisement for the various posts at ILBS. So click that file. So there you can see the posting vacancy list. So this is the vacancy detail for that various post under that Institute of Liver and Biliary Science Hospital in Delhi. This is the completely autonomous super specialty hospital. So you can scroll down and you can see for that 7 various designation post under that nursing field. We have that vacancies. So first you can scroll down and you can go to number 35 for that head nurse care service, the one you are, and the pay scale we'll see, and the education qualification also we'll see in detail. That is, if you have completed MS nursing 15 years experience and BSc mean 20 years experience, with the 5 years experience must be as a nurse manager or equivalent to the any hospital deputy, and upper age limit will be 50 years and grade pay will be third pay band 59,500 to 71,800 rupees, and the GP will be 7,600 rupees. And for the second post you can look for that 36th number, that is that manager in the nursing field. That is the one UR post, and that upper age limit will be 50 years, and that education qualification will say for this post, that is a manager nurse, that is a BS nursing with minimum 12 years of experience, and from that 5 years of experience as a senior nurse or equivalent, the equivalent experience, and 50 years upper age limit, and grade pay will be third grade pay as similar to that head nurse care service, the same pay scale, only that GP will be differ, that is a 6,600 rupees. And the next post you can look for the 41, that is the executive nurse, that is for the GNM, and that different post they were given that allocation under that EWS and OBC and SC candidates, and the pay scale will be pay brand 1 and GP will be 2,400 rupees, and for the pay brand 1 main the person will get 56,100 rupees to 67,700 rupees. The education qualification for this executive nurse will look out for the executive nurse. If the person were completed GNM nursing with 4 years of clinical experience, the person is eligible to apply for this post. And the next post, you can go for that serial number 50, and for that assistant manager nurse, that is one post for that. Here also the pay brand scale is third, and GP will be 5,400 rupees, and upper age limit will be 45 years, and the education qualification will look out for this assistant manager nurse for that BSc with a minimum 7 years of experience after that completion of the degree, and MS nursing if you are completed only 5 years experience is enough, and the specialty must be hepatology, liver critical care and liver transplantation. And suppose if you are completed GN nursing, then also you are eligible with 12 years of clinical experience is must in the area of critical care, gastroenterology, hepatology or the transplantation unit. And the next post, the 51, that is for the nurse, and one post for that orthopedic handicapped, and the upper age limit will be 35 years. And here we'll see what is the education qualification for this post. Similar to that previous area, here also that for the BS nursing with minimum 5 years of clinical experience, and if you are completed MS nursing in that hepatology, liver critical care, liver transplantation with minimum 3 years experience, and GNM for only 10 years experience in the specialty of critical care, gastroenterology, hepatology or transplantation unit, and the grade pay will be 2, that means 57,800 to 69,700 you will get. And for the next post, junior nurse PH, that is a 2 orthopedic handicapped. Here also the grade pay will be same like an nurse, only that GP will be differ. The education qualification for this junior nurse, the BS nursing with minimum experience 3 years of after qualified posting, and MSc nursing if you are completed immediately you can apply. The age limit will be 33 years and the grade pay will be pay brand 2 and GP will be 4,200 rupees. And that last post, that is for that executive nurse. For this post, the 2 orthopedic handicapped can eligible. For this post, junior executive nurse, minimum 2 years experience after your GNM program, and that upper age limit will be 30 years, and the consolidation pay only for this post, that is a 23,670 rupees for this post. So these are the various posts they given, and you can look for that application detail for this post. So you can click the general instructions for fulfilling this online application. So this is the completely consolidate or contract based job for 4 years of period. You are having the contract base. After that, they may extend according to your satisfactory performance. And regarding the online payment, that application fee will be 590 rupees for that general candidate, and in the case of SC, ST and EWS and ex-servicemen, 118 rupees as application fee you need to pay through online, and the application also will be completed through online only. For filling the application, you can go to the http://www.ilps.in. So this is the official website for filling the application, and as well the application process already started in the official website, that is from the 23rd October 2022 till December 2nd you can submit your online application. That recruitment process has been conducted as that written examination and skill based test will be done. After that application filling, you will be called for the written test. So for getting that official date for the examination, you can regularly follow up the official website. And thanks for joining with me. For getting the regular update from my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you once again.